Hi, Legend Capital is our topic of assignment, and these are my group members.
Introduction. Venture capital firms are essential to driving innovation by funding and supporting startups. Legend Capital, founded in 2001, is a leading Chinese venture capital firm managing over 10 billion in assets, with investment in sectors like technology, healthcare, and intelligent manufacturing. It has backed global unicorns like Zifu AI and Udao. This study examines Legend Capital's business journey, financial performance, and adoption of environment, social, and governance (ESG) principles. It explores its life cycle stage, SWOT analysis, and strategies for enhancing global influence, offering insight into how VC firms drive sustainable innovation.
I will present the methodology section for our study on the Legend Capital Corporation. Research methodology is a systematic approach used to design, collect, and analyze data to meet a research objective. In this study, we use a combination of the primary and secondary source together and evaluate data. Our primary source of the data was an annual report of the Legend Capital Corporation. This report provides a critical financial information, including revenues, profit, and liability. Using this data, we calculate a financial ratios to evaluate the company financial performance. Secondary source, we also gather secondary data from a journal, books, and article, primarily accessed through the Google Scholar. This source provides the additional insight, theoretical framework, and an industry context. Next are the analytical technique to analyze the data. We employ quantitative method which involve a numerical analysis and objective measurements. Specifically, we calculate a liquidity ratio, leverage ratio, profitability ratio. Uh, these results were visualized using a graph and table to highlight the trends over the study period.
For results and discussion, there are 4 parts, which are business life cycle, financial performance, business strategies, and SWOT analysis.
For the business life cycle, based on the table and the graph, it is evident that the venture experienced a significant surge in profit, rising from 2016 to 2021, reflecting an impressive increase. However, the organization began facing a downturn, with profit dropping sharply from 2021 to 2023. Therefore, it is reasonable to conclude that the venture has entered a decline phase. Now for a financial performance. First, liquidity ratio. The current ratio for Legend Capital from 2019 to 2023 appears less than favorable, consistently falling below the ideal benchmark of 1.5 to 2.0. This downward trend suggests the company may face challenge in meeting its short-term obligation through operating cash flow alone. Second, for the leverage ratio, the total debt to total asset ratio has remained elevated throughout this period, reflecting the company's significant dependence on debt financing. Next, for the profitability ratio, regarding return on equity, this graph highlights a substantial increase in ROE between 2019 to 2021, but the subsequent decline from 2022 onward indicate that the company may be struggling to maintain consistent profitability. For the last is efficiency ratio. Over the last 5 years, the company net profit margin has also shown variability, reflecting fluctuation in its ability to generate positive profit relative to revenue. The significant decline in ROE during 2002, 2022, and 2023 underscore potential difficulties in sustaining financial performance and profitability.
So, let me walk you through the Legend Capital's business strategies. First, the company employs a sector-focused investment approach, it prioritizing high-growth industries such as technology, healthcare, and green energy. This allows Legend Capital to identify emerging trends, innovate, and generate the long-term returns. Additionally, the firm emphasizes value addition through strategy partnerships. It also offering operational support and leveraging its global network to enhance the scalability of portfolio companies. These strategies position Legend Capital as a transformative leader in venture capital. Now, turning to the SWOT analysis. Strengths include a diversified portfolio that minimizes risks, a robust asset base, and an established market presence, particularly in China and internationally. However, the company faces weaknesses such as high debt levels and liquidity issues, which could hinder financial flexibility. Next is opportunities. Opportunities are abundant with China's technological advancements. It also increasing the demand for financial services and also healthcare market expansion, creating also revenues for growth. The firm can also expand globally and capitalizing on post-COVID-19 market recovery. On the flip side, threats include the fierce competition in the venture capital sector and also the geopolitical tensions also affecting the international operations and economic uncertainties like inflation.
Legend Capital is a leading venture capital fund investing in high-growth areas like technology, fintech, and green energy. To stay successful in today's fast-changing world, the company needs to adopt a smart strategy. Firstly, it is important to focus on the right investment. The world is moving towards artificial intelligence, sustainable energy, and digital transformation. Legend Capital should regularly review its portfolio to stay ahead and invest in areas with a long-term potential. Secondly, strong governance and risk management are essential. Being transparent and accountable builds trust with investor and partner by setting up a teams to manage a risk and ensure ethical decision. Legend Capital can handle challenging better. Finally, sustainability is not a longer optional. People care more about environmental and social issues. Investing in green energy, sustainability farming, and eco-friendly technology will boost the company reputation and attract investors who value sustainability. In short, Legend Capital must stay flexible, manage risk well, and prioritize sustainability to stay ahead. This step will help the company grow, lead in the market, and build a strong future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I will summarize our discussion and conclude with the key takeaways about the Legend Capital. Legend Capital has earned its reputation as a top venture capital firm by focusing on the high growth sector like technology, healthcare, and sustainable industry, while embedding ESG principles into its investment strategy. Throughout this report, we highlight strength. First, adaptability to the global market. Second is value creation through a diversified investment. And last is a leadership role in the competitive VC field. To maintain its edge in the dynamic market, we propose that the Legend Capital continuously optimize its portfolio, strengthen governance and risk management with sustainability at the core, and lastly, embrace socially responsible investment to meet the modern investor demand. By following this strategy, Legend Capital can secure its position as an innovator, ensuring long-term growth and also leadership in the global VC landscape.